on the ends.
Okay.
Before I do any color service.
And what will it do with it being on the ends?
It's going to protect the ends.
Uh-huh.
And it's going to slow down any color overlapping that may occur. So I accidentally put color on these ends, then the oil is going to block the color from penetrating.
Okay.
And then once I rinse it off, your ends, your hair is going to be nice and soft.
Yay!
You have nice, soft, moisturized hair.
Let me see that big bottle so they can see. Nigel's Jamaican almond oil, once again, hard at work.
And I didn't use much.
Uh-huh.
This is just my second squirt, so to speak. It's my second dropper full.
Okay. Alright. Well, thank you. And get yourself some Nigel's Jamaican almond oil for your hair, your skin, your whole body. One love from Jamaica.
Alright, so what we can do is afterwards,